Hi, welcome back. Today we will be learning about simple sentences and how to form them. Simple sentences normally have anywhere between 3 to 5 words, and they say it all in one sentence. Here is our new vocabulary word, responsibility. Then you'll repeat that back, responsibility. And then I put a photo of a trash can because it is our responsibility to take out the trash. So we can link responsibility with trash. It is our responsibility to rake the yard. It is our responsibility to rake the yard. And that is a simple sentence. Our next word is mess. We sometimes make a mess. We sometimes make a mess. What is he doing here? He is cleaning a mess. He is cleaning a mess. And then here, this is a messy room. This is a messy room. There is a mess in this room. And it is our responsibility to clean the mess. Cleaning. Cleaning. That is another new vocabulary word. Cleaning. Can you repeat that back to me? And you would say cleaning. Here's a photo, 2 photos of people cleaning to help us remember what cleaning is and to put a visual with it. So now we are going to use those 3 words to make a sentence. We can use sentences such as, it is our responsibility to rake the yard. It is our responsibility to rake the yard. Another one would be, it is our responsibility to take out the trash. It is our responsibility to take out the trash. Mess would be, we have to clean this mess. It is our responsibility to clean this mess. It is our responsibility to clean this mess.